Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to send files from iPhones to Android. So the first thing, before you send the files, make sure that you already activate your personal hotspot, and make sure that the Android that you want to send the files to is connecting into your personal hotspot. If you don't want to use your hotspot, make sure that you both connect into the same Wi-Fi. And whenever you already do that, now you just need to go back. Now you need to visit your Google Chrome, and now you just need to wait. In the search button here, you just need to type snapdrop and choose the top lines here, and make sure also the Android that you want to send to also do the same. Open the Google Chrome and open the snapdrop, and whenever you open it, there will be pop up here the Android phone that already connected to you, and then you just need to go click it and choose the files that you want to send to. And after that, you just need to go click open, and you need to wait until your Android friend accepting the files. And whenever your friend is accepting your files, the system will be start running to send the files to the Android. So that's the way how to send files from iPhone to Android. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.